Here's how to enter recovery mode on your Samsung phone. Now, if you have your Samsung phone, we can get into recovery or safe mode. The first thing we need to do is turn your phone off. So if you've unlocked your phone, you can see I can just press and hold that side button, the power button, and then I can just tap to power it off. However, let's say instead of that, you don't know the password. You can also go through the process of turning your phone off, but it works a bit different if you don't unlock your phone or don't know that password. To be able to turn your phone off this way, we're going to press and hold the power and volume down button. Once we press and hold that at the same time, you'll be able to see it shows up with a screen like this, but I'm just going to continue to hold until the phone screen goes black. Now I'm going to press volume up and the power button. So you need to press volume up and the power button once your phone is completely off, and you'll be able to see it will start to boot up in recovery mode. You can see Samsung Galaxy here. And now once it turns on, there is recovery mode. Keep in mind, all I need to do is use the volume slider to go up or down on this list. And once I get to whatever I want, I can press that power button to select that option within recovery mode.